We had a big windstorm last night. This branch fell. Can't really tell too much now. It's slightly windy out. But we have no power. I haven't had power since about midnight last night. So I've got the griddle out. Got the water boiling. Got some farm fresh eggs. I've got the bodum going, so I'll fill it up with the water when it boils. Have some nice warm coffee and grabbed these eggs last night at the coop, so we'll have some eggs for breakfast. We get power outage here quite often. It's become kind of a thing. It's alright though, it's alright. We handle it. Alright, let's get on breakfast. Look at those, sunny side up. Look at how bright those yolks are. Yeah, those are almost done. Got some scrambled for the Mavericks.
How are you? What are you doing? You're gonna get a wet bum. Should we run? Oh, it's muddy.
Mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mom.
We're gonna go down the slide again?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go! Good job.
Hi. Mom.
Here's Freya.
Whoa, let's climb up.
Oh no!
Wait, he can't make it. You have to hold onto the wheel to get up.
Oh no! Oh no! Can you make it?
There's a cat. Oh.
Good job, you made it. Can Elias make it?
You have to climb up and then just grab the handles and then climb. I win!
Keep going, little guy.
Go, Elias, go! Yay! Hey, look at that one!
Freya, you're fast. My jog is like, she keeps up.
Hey, Mavericks. Oh, it's so sunny. It's a sunny day. It's warm. It's January 15th. It's 11 degrees. What are you doing? Kicking wood? Oh. It's just after 11 p.m. and I just got home from work, and now it's time to go get the wife to finish stacking wood that we had delivered here today. We're expecting some snow maybe end of this month, a few days, beginning of next month. Maybe not at all, really, depending, you know, living here, it could be anything could happen, but it's better to be prepared. So we were running short on wood, and so I had some delivered, and then we didn't have time to finish stacking it because I had to go to work. The guy that was delivering ran a little late, and then he had some trouble in the backyard. Oh. There we go. So, yep. It's time to go to work. Let's go get Sam. She's gonna love it. It's our anniversary.
Happy 5th anniversary.
5 years. I've been locked down.
You locked me down.
We got noodle box.
Looks so good.
Yeah. Yeah, the doghouse is closed because of COVID. So, we went to the noodle box. We wanted greasy food. And now we're at the Hand of Man parking. This is visitor parking, and there's the Hand of Man symbol. There it is, the elk statue. Outside the Hand of Man. Now, is it a Roosevelt or is it a Rocky Mountain? Look, there's dinosaurs over there. The Hand of Man, let's go.
They have a T-Rex on the inside and a woolly mammoth.
Yeah, let's go check it out. I shaved my head, or Sam shaved my head, grow my mustache, and trim my beard for our anniversary, or on our anniversary. Happy anniversary! 5 years. We're together 5 years. What are we doing, guys?
Looking for seagulls.
Let's see how much we got so far.
Let me see.
We definitely need a bucket. The kids also like seashells.
Yeah, but the sea glass is what we're after. The difference between sea glass and regular glass is that it's rounded edge. Find a good rounded one. I can show people. See, there's no sharp edges.
And a dookie. Pockets are full of dookie.
So the water erodes it in these pebbles on the beach, and it loses their sharp edges, gives them almost a dull look. And so we go around and we find sea glass. It's hard too, because you got to find the glass within the pebbles.
A lot today, though.
Yeah, we're on a roll. Where you going, buddy? Hi, Mavers. Hello. You look so unamused. We just had to make a trip to Nanaimo. We picked up a heavy bag for some of our exercising. Me and Sammy have been trying to get COVID fit at home. What are you doing, Elias?
There's some sea glass.
Oh, did you find a piece?
No.
Oh no, it's yours. Don't take it from him, give him back.
Well, I think it's the same one. The mommy found.
Is that the one Mommy gave you, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it the yellow one? It's got like writing or something right there.
Oh, cool. There's a piece right there. You see it? Oh.
2 pieces. Oh, 3 pieces.
Are they rounded?
That last one's pretty pointy. Oh, here's another one.
There's a green one.
Another one.
See that?
Oh yeah. Look at that. Just in like a 2 foot by 2 foot span.
Guys, see the face over there? On the rock right up there.
It's the sun, I think. Pretty cool.
Well, there's our loots. Freya's got the brown. See this glass here? It's not even sharp anymore because it's been rubbed around in the rocks on the beach, and it's been kind of like eroded a little bit from the salt water, the ocean waves moving them. White ones. This is the biggest haul we've ever had. We found more sea glass today than we've ever had sea glass found at all. Yeah, Mabby.
And look at this nice dark green.
Yeah, that one's really dark. Dark green one.
This is what we've
Look at the blue.
This is a year's worth of collecting, and this is today.
Look at this nice blue.
Yeah, Mom found a really good blue one. And then Elias's shells. He's got some good shells. Mom found that one, I think. And some nice rocks.
No.
I think Mom found a big rock. Look at this one's got some nice colors. Stick those in the rock tumbler. We found some china pieces. These are cool. Doll hinges.
This one. This one's like a fishy.
Like a shark fin. Is this out of this jar?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll leave those ones in the jar.
I just wanted to film that.
These are colored ones. These are pretty sweet.
This is my favorite color green. This is one of my favorite color green.
It's like a light bluish green.
Yeah, it was in this one. I just took it out from the blue.
good haul today. Yeah, look at this old piece of old pottery that's been washing around in the ocean. Who knows if it's old or not, but the fact that the ocean is like dulled it.
Look, this nice cool yellow.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's the yellowish green one. It's really hard to see in this video, but it's
And there's something else I need to show you.
what?
This big one.
Yeah, that's a big one. It's got some writing on it. It's the bottom of like a mason jar or something.
Or maybe.
No, Elias, we're gonna keep them. We're gonna keep them together. No thanks. See the brown? Stays with the brown.
And the white stays with the
Yeah,
white.
this one's sweet with the design.
Yeah. Ooh, see. Do you know which one I like the best out of all the new ones?
What one?
This one.
Yeah, I like them all. This was a good hunt today, guys. Some really, we missing some of the really small ones. Didn't you find like a small pinkish purple one?
Yeah, it should be mixed up.
Okay, let's see this.
There's two pink ones.
This one's like a pinkish color,
Yeah, that's
or like a
pink.
purplish.
It's the purple pink.
Look at this tiny blue one. They're not even, they've been tumbled, they're not even sharp anymore. I can't even pinch my skin, pinch it together. Hey, this big blue one. Sure, I scored that one. That's nice.
And this nice white one's got something on it too.
Best ones are the ones that are really, really tumbled, that are almost round.
And these are,
These edges.
and we've already got a couple of.
Yeah, that's another China one. This is an old one we found, but it's been tumbled quite a lot.
Yeah.
See that edge? There's nothing to it.
Yeah. So
It's got
this
some writing
one.
on it.
I like this one. It's like a fishy head.
Yeah. We'll leave those ones in there. It's like finding treasure, like easy treasure. Like some of these are just beer bottles people have smashed on the beach, but the water's just moved it around.
Let's move this jar inside so I can look at these ones.
Okay. Yeah, push it out of the way.
Now look at this.
Don't worry.
It's the best. Look,
Yeah,
you can see.
can't even cut yourself. I'll squeeze it. Look.
Yeah, I'm squeezing the floor and
But I don't want you to squeeze it though, okay?
Yeah, I'll just saw you down. Yeah, let's finish up.
Look, I'm really squeezing. Can't on this piece of glass. Can't cut myself.
And then put in some white color. Look how nicely.
Sweet. We found these nails too. These are sweet. It's old, like pins that we found of an old dock. Did Elias find these?
No.
Mom found them. They're pretty cool.
Look, it's nice white one.
You know. I don't know. You know. We find this.
A white smile.
Oh yeah. Make sure to put them back in the container, please. Though. Look, it's like finding little treasures. For us, this is fun. This is awesome. You know, just go to the beach and scour for treasures. Cool.
It's like somebody.
Ready?
Ready, going.
These are Heritage Rhode Island Reds.
Hello, little ones. Yeah, they look just like our leg bars.
Can we let them
No,
out?
they might peck you. Not yet.
Hello?
We're gonna take them back and we're gonna do a couple things to the pen. Wrap them.
These are the new presents.
So
The sinks are out. This one.
let's carry them back there and we're gonna clean out the pen and then put them in there.
Hey, we'll hold the presents. Wait, Daddy.
Like our people are here.
We haven't been out all day. A lot of chickens. Watch out, Elias. Just leave them. I got him, buddy. I'll put them here. There they are. Yeah, okay, we'll leave them. Let's go. Let's go get the eggs and we're just gonna leave them right in there. Only
The blue egg. Got the blue
only 3 eggs, eh?
blue
1, 2, 3.
egg.
Okay, let's go. That's all we need to do. Get out of here, goats. Good. Wow. Oh, see, they get jealous of each other. The goats are really having a good time over there today.
Can I put this in here?
You're in my life.
What are you doing?